Okay. Good afternoon to all. Am I audible?
Good afternoon, sir.
Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
In the last class, I had given one problem. Have you solved it? So, a problem दिया था ना? Have you solved this problem? Yes sir, no.
यह नहीं दिया सर, दूसरा दिया था, दूसरा वाला.
दूसरे वाला. This problem I have solved, no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. आपको कौन सा दिया था?
हाँ.
ए.
Yes, sir.
नहीं वो जीरो वाला दूसरा मेजरमेंट
ए भी दिया था. हाँ, ऐसे देखो, दो सिलेंडर है, दोनों अलग अलग सिलेंडर है. ओके, इधर 60 डिग्री 30 डिग्री, ये मैंने सॉल्व किया था, बट ये प्रॉब्लम आपको दिया था मैंने, करेक्ट है ना?
हाँ सर. हाँ.
हैव यू सॉल्व किया क्या? नहीं
नो सर,
सॉल्व नहीं किया. एटलीस्ट 1% आउट ऑफ 28 27 में ये 1% भी सॉल्व नहीं किया. वही क्या डिफिकल्ट था क्या प्रॉब्लम, और टाइम नहीं था क्या? मैंने सेम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया ना, सेम.
यस सर.
सो फिर ट्राई करो वो प्रॉब्लम. हैव यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम? यू हैव नॉट सॉल्व. Why you are not solved? Okay, how to solve this problem? Can anybody tell me? See, there are F1 force along east direction, F2, F3, F4, F5. Okay, there are 5 forces. Among these 5 forces, is it video is on? Yeah, recording?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are 5 forces. Among 5, 4 forces and 4 angles are also given. The last force F5 is not given and F theta is not given. So this is important for the multiple choice questions. Okay, एक marks को आ सकते हैं. How to find out F5 and theta? Yes, can anybody tell me?
Equilibrium conditions.
See, 5 forces acting at a point on a body on figure 2. The body is in equilibrium. Find the forces F5 in magnitude and direction. So how to find out its magnitude and direction? Yes, can anybody tell me? You have to apply the equilibrium conditions. What are the equilibrium conditions? What are the equilibrium conditions?
Equal to 0.
Summation of f of x is equal to 0 and summation
Okay.
fy is equal
Fy
to
is
0.
equal to 0.
Equilibrium conditions. So that is sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0. Okay, is it concurrent or non-concurrent?
Concurrent for
So what are the conditions for the concurrent?
1 point line.
Okay, so I'm not asking the definition. So for sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and also r is equal to 0, correct? If it is non-concurrent force, then your moment is also equal to 0. So how to solve this problem? See, sigma fx is you have to find out, sigma fy you have to find out. Okay, so there are 2 equations, 2 unknowns. You will get the fy and theta. You will get. Okay, so first I will consider sigma fx is equal to 0. Sigma fx is equal to 0. Okay, so now start from the f1 along horizontal. How much it is? All of you consider. Okay, concentrate here, all of you. So this f1 is purely horizontal direction. How much is the angle?
45. 0, 0, 0. 0 degree.
Okay, so it is along right hand side or left hand side?
Right hand side.
So is it positive or negative?
Positive.
It is positive plus 18 Newton. Okay, second force is 22.5 Newton. Okay, it is making an angle 45 degree with respect to horizontal. It is in first quadrant. So it is, what is component? Plus 22.5 cos 45. Okay. Next, F3 is in the vertical direction. Okay. F3 is making how much is angle? It is 90 degree.
45.
Okay. Oh, why
90.
45? F3 is making with respect to horizontal. It is 90 degree. So F3 is 15 cos 90. You can write. Okay. 15 cos 90. Cos 90 is what? It is 0. So it
Zero.
will not produce any horizontal forces. Okay. I will not write it. Next, F4. F4 is making an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. It is moving in negative x direction. So it is minus
Minus
30
Cos
cos
30.
30 degree. Okay. Next, F5. F5 का x component. Okay, x component. That is negative, correct? So minus
Yes, sir.
minus F5. F5. Okay. Cos. It is making angle theta with respect to horizontal. Theta is equal to 0. Okay. So I will transfer this F5 cos theta on the right hand side. So F5 cos theta is equal to, calculate all of you. What is this value? Calculate all of you. Calculate.
7.92.
7.92. Okay. So this is 7.92. All of you are getting same answer. Check it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 7.92. Okay. So this is one answer you got. Okay. Next, I have to go for the another equation. What is the another equation?
Fy.
So sigma Fy. So calculate. Consider again. Consider sigma Fy equal to 0. Sigma Fy is equal to 0. Okay, sigma Fy. This is F1. F1 is along horizontal direction. Is it producing any vertical component?
No.
No. So I will not write. So F2. F2 is moving upward direction. So what is the consider component? Plus 22.5 sin 45.
Sin 45.
Next, F3. Purely it is moving upward direction. Plus 15. Okay. Then this 30 is moving downward direction. Okay. Y component is downward. So what is the component? That is minus
Sin 30.
30 sin 30. Minus 30 sin 30. Then there is F5. F5 is also moving downward direction. So F5 is moving minus F5 sin theta is equal to 0. Okay, this minus F5 I will transfer to the right hand side. So it will become F5 sin theta is equal to. So calculate what is the answer you get?
15.90.
15.90. Okay, all of you are getting same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
I
sir.
will take this is equation number 2. Okay, and I will take this is equation number 1. Okay, so only I have two equations and I have to solve this one. So how to solve next? Okay, how to solve this one? Yes, can anybody tell me how to solve this one? Two equations, two unknowns. So
Yes.
I will, what I will do? Equation number 2 minus divided by equation number 1. I will do. So is it okay if I take equation number 2 minus equation number 1? So from, or I will try equation number 2, equation 2 divided by equation 1. Is it okay? So what is equation number 2? That is F5 sin theta divided by F5 cos theta is equal to 15.90 divided by 7.92. So this Fi get cancelled. So remaining is tan theta. So sin theta will divided by cos theta. It is equal to tan theta. It is equal to, what is this, sir? How much it is? Calculate.
2.00.
2.00. Okay. So theta is equal to tan inverse of answer. Karo. Tan inverse of answer. So I want theta is equal to tan inverse of answer. How much?
63.43.
63.43. Okay. 43.
63.43.
Okay. So here you are getting 63.50. Okay, no problem. Okay. Here you are consider only 2 digits. That's why you are getting this much. If you consider all the 10 digits, then you will get answer this much. Don't worry. You are getting 63. It is correct answer. All of you are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. This is theta.
Yes, sir.
Then how to calculate the value of F5? So substitute this theta in the equation number 1 or 2. Okay, I will write here. Substitute theta in equation number 1. Okay, F5 theta cos theta. It is cos theta is equal to 7.92. So I want F5 is equal to 7.92 divided by cos of theta is equal to 63.43. Calculate F5.
17.70.
17.70. Okay, so you are getting 17.70 Newton. Okay, here it is 17.77. Okay, no problem. 17.7 you are getting. Then whether this answer is correct or not, how to check it? Or you can also try by taking a second equation or substitute theta in equation number 2. So in equation number 2 it is f5 sin theta is equal to 15.90. So f5 is equal to 15.90 divided by sin theta. What is the theta? 63.43. Yes, calculate f5.
70.77.
Yes, 17.77 RN. Okay, 17.77 is correct answer. Okay, so it is 17.77 or 7. Okay, this is Newton you are getting. Here it is answer. So here it is 17.7 answer. So here it is theta value. So is it clear? How do you get the answer? F5 and F theta. So first what I did, I have applied equilibrium equation sigma fx, then sigma fy. There are two equations, there are two unknowns. By taking, you can solve like this, or by taking your calculator. Okay, calculators will directly कर सकते हो. Okay, I'll take down this one. Have you started submitting the assignments? Only few students have submitted. Others, why you are not submitted? Is it over? Have we finished?
No, sir. No, sir.
झाले सर.
Yes. Wait.
हो
One
गया.
more minute. See, whatever the problems I have taken, all these problems are you have to solve by the with the help of equilibrium equations only. Okay, equilibrium conditions. That is sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and also sigma m is equal to 0. Correct? No? Is there any other equation that I have used? Huh?
No, sir.
Apart
No,
from
sir.
only I am using equilibrium conditions only. Correct है ना? बाद में first chapter का concept that is resolution of forces sigma fx sigma fy, how to find out x component, how to find out y component, those are the very important. वो आपको समझ में नहीं आए तो ये पूरा कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. Okay, so you have to thorough with the resolution of the forces. Okay, resolving a component, x component, y component, when to take positive x component if it is moving horizontal positive direction of x or right hand direction, then it is positive. Negative direction of x or left hand direction, then it is negative. And y component, so if it is moving vertically upward direction, then it is positive. Vertically downward direction, it is negative. Okay, therefore always you have to consider theta is with respect to horizontal. Okay, so x component is f cos theta, y component is f sin theta. Okay, that is concept you have to remember. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Others. Okay. Okay, so till now we have studied the equilibrium of rigid bodies. Okay, that is with the space, if it is subjected to cable problems, if it is subjected to the spheres problems. Okay, any type of cylinder. We have seen only one type of cylinder, and we have seen two types of cylinders. So, okay, so equilibrium of two cylinders. So we have seen similar kind of cylinders, and we have seen different diameter of cylinders also. Okay, so whatever problems I have taken, you have to repeat those problems. अभी क्लास में जैसे सुनाया ना वैसे ही नहीं छोड़ने का. So okay, you have to practice those problems. One times, two times, you have to practice. Then only you will become familiar with the problem. ठीक है? All.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next concept is we will move on to the types of support. Okay, so what is this types of support? Types of support is the types of support. So first of all, you should know support. So in all the engineering problems, okay, or in when you are coming to the civil engineer or the any other subject, so it is supports are very important. So first we will see what is support, what are the classification supports, and how to find out the support reactions. Okay, support reaction first. Support is a structure. Support in a structure is a member which helps the other member which helps the other members to resist the loads. Supports in a structure transfers the load to the ground and provides the stability to the support structure supported. Consider this is one I will take. Okay. This is a building. Okay, I will take this is one. Okay, you can take any one figure. So first of all of you write down this one statement, write down types of support. Types of supports. Among them, first one is support. What is support means what? Okay, write the definition. Support is a structure. Sorry, support in a structure. Support in a structure is a member which helps other members. Okay, other members. Support in structure is a member which helps other member to resist loads. Supports, full stop, supports in a structure, transfers the load to the ground, and provides stability to the structure supported on it. Okay, so when you consider any building, okay, this is one building, okay, this is stories, number of different stories. There are different stories. Okay, so when you consider this one, so there is supports. What are these supports? These are the columns. Okay, so these are the columns. Columns will become support to this structure. Okay, so columns will become supported to these structures. So these are the columns. So this is a building. So in this building, entire building load will come to the ground. Correct. So this is the ground. Okay, ground. So this entire structure is supported by what? Columns. Okay. So columns will act as a support to the structure. So what is structure? Support in a structure is a member which helps the other members to resist the loads. See, so this is a beam. Okay, this is a beam. When this beam is subjected to any kind of load, okay, this is kind of load. So for this load, this structure is resisting. Okay, resisting. It means it is having some support conditions. Okay, when there is a column, from the beam to load will come to the column. Okay, this column will resist the load. So it means column will have some supports. Okay, so if you consider this is one beam, okay, वो इसके ऊपर मैंने आपसे कुछ लोड अप्लाई कर दिया. So this beam will resist. It means it will resist the load. Okay, so if you are one person standing, आपके ऊपर मैंने 10 kg load डाला तो you will resist, no? Okay, that is resisting capacity. So support means what? The in a member which help the other members to resist the loads. Okay. Supports in a structure transfers the loads to the ground. See, this is one structure. Okay, this is one building structure. What it will do? Support will transfer the building structure load into the ground. So इसके ऊपर जितना load आ रहा है ना, so entire load will transfer to the ground. Okay, so support in a structure transfers the load to the ground and provide stability to the structure it is supported, and all these supports will give stability to the structures. Okay, वो firmly रहने का ना, वो stable, it should be stay stably. Okay, that's why we have to provide the supports. Okay, see, whenever there is a compound wall. Okay, when you consider this is a pura compound wall, in this compound wall I have to provide one gate. Okay, opening. So which type of support I need to provide? Okay, there is one support here. There is one support in order to open and close. Okay, so this is a kind of support. Which type of support? We will study this one. Okay, so this is wall. Okay, I will take one wall in your building. So this is a one type of wall and this is another type of wall. Okay, so इधर एक wall है, इधर एक wall. इसके ऊपर मैंने slab rest करते. Okay, I will rest slab over this one. Okay, this is resting a slab. So it means the slab का load is transferred to the another component. It means one member to another member, the load is transferring. So load is coming on the slab. So from this slab, it is transferring to the what it is? It is wall. So it is wall. It means how it is placed here. There is a support here. It is simply supported. Okay, just it is placed. Okay, when you consider this is, so this is how it is. this is beam. Beam load is transferred to the, yes, beam load.
Column.
Columns.
Which one? A, we can take wall or cross sectional column. Okay, wall or column, wall or column, both are correct. Okay, wall or column. If it is a RCC wall, RCC, then it is column. If it is a load bearing structure, then it is wall. Both are correct. Okay, if this is a beam, okay, beam का load किधर आने का, इसका support का, okay, support से it will go to the columns. Okay, so again there are different types of supports. What are the supports? One is simply supported, simple support you can say. Next one is roller support. Next one is hinged support. Next one is fixed support. Okay, again there is one more, fifth one, that is overhang support. Overhanging, or you can, these four are sufficient. Okay, from this only you can derive that one. Okay, so there are different types of supports. First one is simple support, second one is roller support, third one is hinged support, fourth one is fixed support. So where these type of supports are there? So this is slab. Okay, slab ke upar, this is column or wall. If you're just simply resting this slab piece on the wall, then it will be a simple support. There is no just connection, just one placing. See, when you consider there is a one wall. Okay, I am resting this on this one. Okay, just I am resting. No, it will become which kind of support? It is simply supported. Okay, when you consider there is a one roller. Okay, there is another roller. ये दोनों के ऊपर, okay, this is the ground. Okay, this is the ground. ये दोनों के ऊपर I want to place one metal piece. Okay, I want to place one metal piece. Okay, just so which type of support it is? Here it is simply supported. Either simply supported. Okay, so आपके पास आपने ये दिखा होगा wheelchair. Okay, so you have a wheelchair. Which type of supports are there for the wheelchair? When there is a wheelchair, so which type of roller? So this is roller support. Okay, this is roller support. Okay, this is roller support. That is roller support.
सर मतलब हमारे वो कंप्यूटर लैब के चेयर क्या?
व्हील रोल होता है ना, वो ऑफिस में वगैरह बैठते ना, व्हीलचेयर. Okay, that is roller support. Then hinged support or pin support. So your door, okay, in your house there is a door. Okay, the door is having hinged type of support. This door is having, अपने बोलते हैं ना hinge बोल के. Okay, there is a connection at the door. So this is called as hinges. Okay. Next, again one is fixed. Fixed means you cannot do anything. Okay, the thing is fully fixed. Okay, it is fixed. You cannot change anything. You cannot change. It is fixed. So mathematically or structurally, we have to denote some notations. How to do the notations? For the simply supported, the structure is denoted like this. Okay, so structure is, it is a beam. The beam, for this beam, the structure is denoted. This is simply support, simple support. Then for the roller, this is the roller conditions. This or this, like this. Okay, you will see. So for the roller, you have to do like this. Okay, roller conditions. Roller, or you can take this is a beam. Okay, you have to show like this rollers. For hinged conditions, you have to take this is a beam. Okay, so again you have to show hinges. So this is the end, only end conditions. Okay, this is hinges. Okay, these are the hinges. So when you consider fixed beam, so this is a fixed beam. So this is just end supports. So end supports are it is fixed. Okay, these are fixed conditions. We just write these four sentences. Just write. So I will show the diagrams. I'll have read on this one. Simple support.
Sir,
first.
वो रोलर में साइकिल आएगी क्या? मतलब साइकिल हमारे कोई भी व्हीकल हो क्या? नहीं.
Okay, you will come to know whether that cycle will be roller support or not. Okay, you will come to know. Okay.
Yes.
First write down. First one is simple support. Second one is roller support. Third one is hinged support. Hinged support. Fourth one is fixed support. This hinged support is also known as pinned support. Pinned support. Hinged support or pinned support. Both are same. Next one is fixed support or built-in support. Fixed support or built-in support. Okay, have you written?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
See, simple support. So how will be the simple support? What is this one? This is a figure. In the figure, so what is this one? What is this one? This is column, correct? In this column, this is a bridge girder. Okay, bridge girder. So they are resting, correct? Na? So it means which type of support? The load from the bridge girder will come to the column. That is, it is simple. See here. Okay, this is a bridge girder. They are resting on the column. Okay, it is, see here in the diagram. The diagram how it is. This is one column. This is slab, or you can take it as girder, or we can take it as a beam also. The beam is just there simply resting. Correct, Aina? It means simple support it is. Simple support it is. Wait a minute. 1 minute. Okay. So this is simply support. Okay. It means one member is just there resting. Okay. That's why it is called as simple support. So when it is resting, then what are the resisting force or reaction forces? So reaction force is only one reaction force will be there. That is upward forces. Okay. Upward forces. See in this case, okay, in this figure, the beam, there is a beam. So it is simply supported beam. It means beam is just they have rested on the wall. Okay, so the reaction is, so it is typically it is denoted like this. Okay, so that is reaction is Ra and reaction is that B point is B. So this is A point and this is B point. Okay, so at A point, what is the reaction? At A point, that is Ra. At B point, what is the reaction? Rb. Okay, if there is a simply supported, then there is only one reaction. That reaction is along vertical direction. See, if the beam is simply rest on the support like column or wall, okay, anything you can. The support is called as simple support. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you read on first. All of you read on this one. Simple for support. First one is simple support. Simple support. Okay, so simple support. Simple support. So read this statement. If the beam simply rests, if the beam simply rests on the support, on the support, on the support, like column or wall, the support is called as simple support. The support is called as simple support. Next point, it offers only one reaction, only one reaction normal to the plane, on which it rests, on which it rests, on which it rests. Okay, so all of you have to draw the diagram. Okay, so diagram, how you can write, you just draw this. This is a beam. Okay, so for this beam there is a reaction forces. This is one reaction and this is another reaction. This is one, this is one. Okay, or you can draw this diagram also. Okay, so how, what are the namings? So this is a point A and this is a point B. Okay, and supports. So for this A support, the reaction is Ra. For this B support, the reaction is Rb. Okay, see here. Here he has taken A point, here he has taken B point. Okay, the reaction at A point is Ra, the reaction at B point is Rb. Always you have to remember, for the simple support, how many reactions are there? Only one reaction. Only one reaction is important. Have you taken this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Support point. Okay, so support point means what? This is one point, this is one member. Okay, this is one member, this is another member. So it is a joint. Okay, support is always a joint. It is transfer of load from one member to the another member. That is called as support. Okay, again there are different types of supports. First one is what we are studying, that is simple support. See, simple support. So here it is member one. What is that one? Beam is there. Beam se kahan tak aa rahe wo load? It is wall or column ko aa rahe. So with the help of support, which type of support it is? They're just simply resting. Okay, here it is in the figure. This is a beam girder. Okay, so entire it is resting on the column. It means there is a simply they are resting. Okay, that is simple support. Okay, so next, second one. What is second one? So roller support. Second one is roller support. Second one is roller support. So this is a symbol for the roller support. Okay, how they have done. So this is a beam, and this beam is denoted like this, and there is rollers. Okay, this is the roller support. You have to denote like this. Okay, so how they have given. So when you remove that roller support, the beam will become one is horizontal, vertical reaction. Okay. See, what is roller support? Meaning is what? So if a beam is supported, if a beam is supported by rollers, it at its ends or in between them, the support is called as roller support. Roller support. If the beam is supported by rollers at its ends or in between them, then it is called as support is called as roller support. See, so there is a gate. Okay, is it visible? Okay, this one.
Yes.
Look at this one. There is a gate. Okay, so there is a rollers which is provided at this point. So through this roller, the gate is sliding. Okay, when you want to close it, you can close it. Okay, through the roller only. When you want to open it, you can open it through the rollers. Now the rollers are provided at the end or at the inside? Inside the gate.
Inside the
Okay,
gate.
so there is a one diagram here. There is one machine. So there is a roller support. The body, this vehicle is moving. Moving means which type of roller it is? Which type of support it is? Is it roller or simply supported?
Roller.
Roller. Now, okay, for your cycle. Okay, for your cycle. So there is a supports. Okay, there is a cycle wheel. Whether is it moving or what it is? It is moving. Which type of it?
Roller.
It is roller support. Is it clear, everyone? Then this is
Yes.
the symbol you have to give the roller support. Okay, so like this you have to denote. Okay, this is the symbol it is. Okay, this is beam. Okay, member से load कहाँ पर आ रहा है? It is to the roller. So reactions are only one reaction. Okay, this is the reaction forces for the roller support. See, here it is rollers. Okay, there is a reaction. You can denote like this also. Okay, you can denote like this also. Rollers. Okay, Alfredon, roller support. Roller support. Right.
सर दोनों का भी रिएक्शन सेम है सर.
Yes, simply
Simple
supported
roller.
and roller का दोनों का same
Yes.
reaction. Only one. If a beam is supported by rollers at its ends or in between then the supports are called as roller supports. Next point. Roller supports offers only one reaction. All of you underline this one. One reaction. Underline this one. Only one reaction, comma, which is perpendicular to the rollers. All of you draw this diagram. Roller support diagram. This and equal to this one. Like this you have to draw. Okay. So this is roller support. When you remove that rollers, this is a beam. Okay. When you remove that one, you will get this is a reactional force. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, this diagram you have to remember. Okay. Next, what is the next one? It is hinged or pinned support. Write down. Third one. Third one is hinged or pinned support. First point. If beam is hinged, if a beam is hinged or pinned or pinned or pinned at its ends, at its end, comma, then the support is called as hinged or pinned support or pinned support or pinned support. Full stop. Next point. It offers two reactions. It offers two reactions. Underline the two reactions. That is, which are, okay, VIZ means which are, okay, which are, one is vertical, and the other one is horizontal. One vertical and the other is horizontal. Other is horizontal. Okay, so this is the schematic diagram for the pinned support. How it is? There is a member. For that member, it is a support. Which type of support it is? It is pinned support. When you remove this pinned support, then the reactions forces are two forces. One is vertical forces and one is horizontal forces. In the simply supported, how many reactions are developed?
One.
One. In the roller support, how many reactions are developed?
One.
One. In the hinged support or pinned support, how many reactions will develop?
Two.
Two. What are those? One is
Horizontal,
horizontal and one is vertical. So horizontal is, it is denoted by H and vertical is denoted by V, or you can take it as R. No problem. Okay. So draw this diagram. Draw this one. So where this kind of hinged supports you can see, you can see your door or window. Okay, window. So when this is okay, either there will be hinges. Okay, either there will be hinges. So it means actually what it is. So whenever you take any support or anything, there are three things. One, it should be move in X direction. It should move in Y direction, or it should rotate. Okay, rotate in Z direction. Correct? Theta in Z direction. It should move in X direction. It should move in Y direction, or it should rotate in Z direction. Okay. So which is not possible? No, that is the reaction. Okay. So consider your door or window. So door, is it moving X direction? Door, is it moving in X direction? Is it moving?
हाँ sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
How
Sir,
it
no.
will? It is fixed. No?
Rotating.
It will rotate.
हाँ
So
हाँ
it will
rotate
not
होगा sir.
it will not move in X direction. Means there is a horizontal reaction will develop. Is it move in a vertical direction? Is it move?
No.
No, it will
sir.
not move. Means there is a vertical reaction. So, but it rotate in rotate. No, there is a theta. It will rotate. So when there is a rotation, so then there is no moment here. It means moment is zero. So what are the reaction components? Horizontal reaction and vertical reaction for pinned or hinged support. Is it clear, everyone? See,
Yes.
this is one support. Okay, there is a bolted connection. There is a member, plate, beam. Okay, in these two are connected by a bolt. So through this bolt, the member can rotate like this. Correct? When this is rotated, but it will not move X direction. It will not move in Y direction. It can rotate. Okay, so this is a member. This is one. So vertical reaction is RA by at a point. Horizontal reaction is RAX. He has taken. Okay, have you taken this figure? Pinned support. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear? Pinned support? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
See, this is one steel structure. Okay, so it means this will only just it will move. Okay, it will not move in X or Y direction. It will rotate. The last one is fixed support or built-in support. Fourth one, fixed support or built-in support. So first point, when the end or ends, when the end or ends, when the end or ends of being,
Sir, recording राहिले.
no, it is recording, no?
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes, sir.
recording.
Yes.
When the end or ends of being are fixed to the structure, then the support is called as fixed support or built-in support full stop. Next point, it offers three reactions which are vertical, horizontal and resistive moment. Vertical, horizontal and resistive moment. Underline this word, vertical, horizontal and resistive moment. Underline all of you. As shown in figure. This is the schematic diagram for the fixed support. So there is a member. Okay, this member is supported at this point. Okay, so this is fixed support. So when you remove this support, the reactions are, these are the reactions. One is moving upward direction and one is moving horizontal direction and another one is rotation. That rotation is nothing but your resistive moment. Okay, moment. Okay, this is the reaction process. So take down this figure. Alpha, take down this figure. So this is the beam and this is support. Okay, A support is nothing but this is A point. Here it is and is B point. Okay. Then support A. What are the reactions? One is horizontal. Here in this problem he has taken RA. Okay. That is you have to take HA. Okay, better. Okay, आपको understanding होगा mentally. Okay. This is HA. HA means horizontal. So this is vertical. Vertical को क्या लेने का? VA. Vertical is VA. And moment you have to take MA. A means at a joint A. Okay, this is a point at A. HA means horizontal reaction at A. VA means vertical reaction at A. MA means moment at A. Okay, see in this direction he has taken arrows are towards the point. Okay, arrows are towards the point. Here he has taken away from the point. Here is taken towards. It is depends on you. Okay, these are the assumed direction. So by taking these as assumed direction, you have to calculate. If you are getting the answer positive, then it is assumed direction is correct. If your answer is negative, then assumed direction is it is reverse wrong. Okay. So you have taken this diagram.
सर इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसे आएगा सर?
Representation is just it is this is member. Okay, this is the representation. Okay, how many forces? This is one is RA, one is VA, another one is moment. Okay, moment at A. This is HA, this is VA. Is it clear? So for the simply supported, how it is? It is like this. Correct? Huh? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Simply supported like this. Then second one is what? What is second one?
Roller.
Roller. So roller is denoted like this. Okay. Roller is denoted like this. Okay. Hinged or pinned, it is denoted like this. Then fixed or built-in, it is denoted like this. Okay. There is full. So how many reactions are there here? Only one. Roller, one.
1,
Hinged, two.
2,
Fixed, it is three.
3.
Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, there is a systematic diagram. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. So एक ही slide में सभी है देखो. So roller support. So type of support. First one is what? It is type of support. It is roller support. It is denoted by like this. Okay, roller. Then the reaction force. How it is? It is vertical force. Okay. Then it is vertical loads. Resisting load. Which type of loads? Vertical loads को resist करते. Then pin support. It is denoted by like these pins. Okay, like these pins. Okay. Then it is what are the two forces? Pinned. One is horizontal and one is vertical. So which type of loads it will resist? It will resist vertical loads and horizontal loads. Both the type of loads it will resist. Then one is fixed support. So fixed support is fixed member. Okay. It will resist horizontal, it will resist vertical, and also it will resist moments. So all types of loads, horizontal, vertical, and moments, it will resist. Then simply supported. Just there resting one member on the another member. Okay. So that is simply supported. Which type of reaction it is developed? Vertical. Which type of loads it will resist? Only vertical loads it will resist. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take down this screenshot. Okay. In one slide, all the supports are there. Okay. See rollers. So roller is denoted like this also. Okay. It is only producing only one reaction. Okay, pin is denoted like this. It will produce two reactions. Fixed, for the fixed it is denoted like this. Okay, how many reactions? One is vertical, one is horizontal, one is moment. Simply supported. That is simple means frictionless surface. Frictionless surface is only vertical. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So types of loading is we will see this one in the next class. आपको supports समझ में रहने का. So when you know the supports, then you should know what type of loading it will resist. Can you tell me which type of support is this one?
Roller.
Rolling.
This is
Simple.
वाला ही है.
roller. Okay, roller. Okay, we will study the types of loading in the next class. Okay. Okay. Now I will take the attendance first. Yes. Roll number 16. $18, $19, $59, 62, 63, 63, 64. 9, no? Absent numbers 16, 18, 19, 59, 63, 64. Okay. These are
63 present, sir.
63 present. Okay. 16, 18, 19, 59, 64. Okay. So we'll stop now. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you all.